No, not yet. I'm here with Shewsberry. Shew, you got the latest iteration of the sticker. This is the unboxing video right here. Those are very sharp knives. Be careful. All right, and we're gonna for the whole world to see. Shew and Frankie Cellino. Frank Cellino says this was all Shew's design right here. This is the latest and greatest. Oh my God, these are beautiful. Shew, thank you so much for what you do.
You're welcome.
You can write in self-stamp addressed envelope. You get yourself a free sticker, 95 East Main Street, care of Joey, Gloucester, Massachusetts, 01930. Get yourself a sticker. Thanks, Shew.